In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 2v2 in Madden 23. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a 2v2 lobby so you can play against your friends together. So all that you have to do is set up a Superstar KO mode lobby. So this is where it is going to be offered for you to do a 2v2 lobby. So first, launch the game on your console or PC. Navigate to Superstar KO. So when you open the menu and you go over to the Play with Friends option, one of the options that you will have is going to be Superstar KO. So between the Yard, Online Head-to-Head, and Superstar KO, choose the last option. So when you select Superstar KO, you will be able to create a new lobby or join an existing one with your friend. So whoever is going to be creating the lobby, all that they have to do is set up the options. So as you can see here, choose the opponent, mode, type, and most importantly the size. Make sure that you set this to 2v2. At the bottom under squad mates, you will be able to send out the invites. So if you go over to the plus sign, you will be able to send invites to your friends who are on your friends list. They will be able to accept and join the same lobby as you. Once they are in, you can go ahead and start the match, and all that you have to do is make sure that you selected Superstar KO and that you set the size to 2v2. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish in Madden 23, and you will be able to play with your friends online through this simple method. Just go over to Play with Friends, choose Superstar KO, and once you are in the lobby, invite them from there. It is simple to do, and you can, like I said, invite anyone who is on your friends list. If you don't see them when you open the squad mate social menu window, make sure that you have added them into your Xbox or PlayStation friends list before proceeding. They should appear automatically when you choose the option to invite them to a squad. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 2v2 in Madden 23. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.